Are you also struggling to find the best workshop? Not every workshop takes proper care of your car. So let's see the difference between regular workshop and VehicleCare workshop. High prices and random estimates. Affordable. Upfront pricing. Hidden charges at billing time. 100% transparent cost breakdown. No on-site inspection. Instant on-site diagnosis available. No doorstep pickup and drop. Doorstep pickup and delivery service. Untrained staff. Certified and trained professionals. No after-service warranty. Service warranty with every job. Uses duplicate or cheap parts. Only genuine OEM spare parts used. Time-consuming and unorganized. Fast and scheduled service process. Poor customer support. Dedicated customer support team. No service tracking. Real-time service tracking via app. Cash-only payments. Multiple secure digital payment options. No feedback or follow-up. Regular feedback and post-service support. No proper CRM or record management. Smart CRM system with complete service history. No insurance claim support. End-to-end claim support. No cashless claims. Cashless claim facility. Cashless support available with selected insurance only. All cashless insurance available. Service limited to specific cities. Pan-India service network. Warranty limited to that specific workshop. Pan-India warranty coverage. How VehicleCare onboard workshop. Workshops are selected only if they pass our basic requirements. Every workshop is thoroughly checked before onboarding. Selection and onboarding process. We check legal documents. Inspect workshop infrastructure. And ensure the use of genuine parts and premium lubricants. Mechanics must be trained, certified, and capable of delivering a professional experience from the start. A dedicated customer lounge where customers can relax while their vehicle is being taken care of. After verification, the teams go through VehicleCare's onboarding process. VehicleCare onboarding training sessions for mechanics. They learn our service standards, communication etiquette, and customer handling approach. They are trained on our tech platform for booking management, live updates, inspection reporting, and payments. Every service job is tracked in real time. Customers receive live updates, digital inspection reports, and clear notifications at every stage. A dedicated support team is available whenever needed. Our focus is simple: a reliable experience for every customer, consistent standards, trained teams, and tech-backed processes. From servicing to insurance claims, including Pan-India cashless insurance support, we make the entire journey smooth and stress-free. You get consistent, high-quality service you can trust wherever you are.